Welcome to FUHcast. Today with a very special edition. We are gearing up for the 3rd International Symposium on updates of emergency medicine and trauma, hosted by Fakeeh University Hospital. My name is Marlies and I am the Senior Manager of the Academic and Training Affairs, and I will be your host for today. Today I have the privilege speaking with the Head of Department and Lead Consultant of the Emergency Department and Trauma Center here in Fakeeh University Hospital. Dr. Youseff Abboud, welcome today. We are going to dive in on the highlights of our symposium and why it is so important for healthcare professionals, academics and innovators to join us. Dr. Youseff Abboud, you are part of the scientific committee of this year's symposium. What inspired the committee to choose this year for the topic emergency medicine and trauma?
Thank you, Marlies, for your warm welcome, and I'm really excited to be with you here to talk about our upcoming unique events which we are preparing about the Emergency Medicine and Trauma Symposium, and we are welcome all attendees from over the world and from UAE as well to have a fruitful symposium and to have the benefit of having the latest updates in all emergency and trauma management cases in emergency departments all over the world.
Doctor, you are part of the scientific committee this year for the symposium. What inspired the committee to choose for emergency medicine and trauma this year?
Well, actually, there is several factors played a role in choosing such symposium for this year. First of all, and the most important factor was identifying Fakeeh University Hospital as a trauma level 2 center, which is accredited by the DHA. We are one of 2 only private sectors in Dubai to be a trauma center level 2. And additionally, the increasing complexity and emergency trauma cases worldwide and in Dubai, in line with the increased number of the population, this raised the challenge on emergency departments in dealing with such cases. And this also put the healthcare system in a very challenging position to have the fast and active response to all multi-casualty victims and polytrauma cases, medical emergencies. This also pushing all the healthcare systems to have a continuous training and education to upgrade and to keep updated in all our emergency services all over the world. So that's why we choose the symposium to be about the emergency and trauma cases management in Dubai, to be one of the unique symposium which we are looking forward to have.
Absolutely, yeah, and I think this is a very, very important reason. The other, of course, the massive event that is happening at the moment is that the DHA is expanding their residency programs here in Dubai under the private sector, and hopefully this year emergency medicine will be one of the residency programs. So this will also be in line of our event. The event is promising to bring experts from all over the world together. How do you envision that diversity will bring us, what do you think this will bring us, that diversity of people from all over the world, if we are talking about emergency medicine and trauma?
Yes, of course. This diversity of speakers and attendees from over the world, this will first of all share all the experience globally and regionally, and this will give advanced information and updates about all experiences which was everywhere in terms of dealing with the natural disaster and other pandemics which we faced already a few years ago, and these will cover up all the weakness of our healthcare system and the strength of our healthcare system as well, to build up on it and to have more advanced care and to upgrade our system everywhere. So this exchange of experience really play a role in advancing our service in emergency departments.
Yeah, that is amazing. And I think it is very important that we remember that we need to collaborate with everybody and that we can learn tremendously from other entities and other countries around the world. Doctor, can you maybe highlight some of the key topics that will be discussed during the 2 days event?
Well, the attendees will be expecting to have a rich array of key topics in emergency medicine and trauma services, and also the innovation in emergency technology to be part of the services and how to deal with polytrauma cases or mass casualty. So this will be also integrated with some workshops, and we are collaborating with the American Heart Association to have some workshops on the advanced and technology in the CPR and resuscitation. And also there is workshops of hands-on bedside ultrasound. There is multidisciplinary team discussion panels to have different emergency cases and scenarios to be discussed with the latest and updates approach to each critical and different scenarios. So all this in line with the medical and surgical emergencies and the trauma also. This will be very fruitful and covering all the topics and cases which we expect to see in emergency department.
It's really nice of you that you are mentioning indeed that we are also looking at multidisciplinary teams, and if I look at the key topics of the event, then it's good to see that it is not only a medical event, but that other healthcare professionals will also play a great role in the event. What I also like that we are looking at the synergy between the government and the private sector.
Yes, actually this started few years ago to have the collaboration between the private sector and the government, because no one can be a standalone healthcare system. You need to have a collaboration to cover any deficiency in covering multi-speciality team. So each hospital and in the collaboration with the government can cover up all needs to serve the patient very well. And our partnership and collaboration with the government is really very obvious, and it's having more and more partnership and collaboration from both sides, and this can and led to have a better service and better care for all UAE and Dubai patients.
No, that is great to hear, of course. Dr. Youseff, what would you say to healthcare professionals, academics, students and trainees that are on the fence of attending the conference? How would this conference benefit in their professional career?
Well, this conference will have benefits for all trainees, undergraduate, postgraduate and researchers also, so they will find a lot of topics and networks also. This will advance their knowledge and to have the updates in all the technology and services in emergency, and this will increase their networks as well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Youseff. I hope that you are as excited as I am. I am looking forward to seeing you again. This is not the first FUHcast about our symposium. Every week we will come with updates and we will give you insights together with our speakers. I want to invite you to go to our website and to register today. Don't miss this opportunity and join this one-of-a-kind event here in Dubai.